So to start this off, we have the Social Studies Department presented by Mr. Brown.
Live from my living room to yours, I'm Brian Brown. On behalf of the Social Studies Department, Karen Hegg, Stryker Lane, and Trevor Robbins, we would like to recognize the following students for their accomplishments this past school year and throughout their career at Manitou Springs High School. Social Studies offers the students the opportunity to learn multiple curriculums and to apply those areas of study to various regions of the world to gain great global insight. The students being recognized today have not just shown great academic achievement, they've also been resilient. They've persevered. They've shown strong work ethic, curiosity in their subject, and the willingness to think outside of the box. So without any ado, here's the winners for this year. For American Government, we would like to recognize Laird Roge. For Economics, Luke Lawson. For World History, Aiden Cote. For AP World History, Abigail Parker. For U.S. History, Kaylin Aron. For AP U.S. History, Caitlin Wilson. For Sociology, Isabella Kuzbeck. And for AP Psychology, Sierra Dooley. The following individuals have been able to demonstrate these qualities for 4 years in our department. Our bronze medal winner is Seamus Lowe. Our silver medal winner is McKenna Yount. And our gold medal winner is Sarah Welsh. Congratulations to all of you. And those seniors, good luck as you work your way into the real world.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Next up is Ms. Gardner giving recognition to the Knowledge Bowl team.
Thanks, Ms. Gardner. Next up, we have Mr. Boris giving recognition for the forensics team.
Forensics had an amazing season. We won trophies up and down the Front Range and qualified 3 individuals to state, including freshman Christian Perez. Christian qualified in congressional debate. We also qualified for the 3rd year in a row to the national tournament. This year, Gideon Agnar double qualified in both congressional debate and World Schools.
Congratulate our World Schools debate qualifiers in alphabetical order. From Manitou, Gideon Agnar!
The team was led this year by senior Taylor Knight, who double qualified for nationals, both in World Schools debate and extemporaneous speaking.
Nationals! From Manitou Springs, Taylor Knight!
Yeah! Good luck to the team at the online national tournament, and we hope to see many more Mustangs out for speech and debate next fall.
Thank you, Mr. Boris. Next up is Mr. Revis giving recognition to our robotics team.
The Manitou Springs Robotics team won the Del Mar Regional Championship in California this year for our first time ever, and we qualified as a Alliance captain. So the team qualified for the World Championships, which were eventually canceled due to the coronavirus, which we're all really upset about, but I'm sure we'll do even better next year, and I'm really excited to see our results.
We got our first ever blue banner.
Thank you, Mr. Rivas. Next up, we have the MSEA Scholarship presented by Ms. Kerrigan.
Hello, this is Mrs. Kerrigan, and I'm here to present the Manitou Springs Education Association Scholarship for Future Educators. MSEA is a group of teachers from Manitou Springs School District who are dedicated to lobbying for education funding, policy, and equity. We believe that giving back to our school district is important, so last year we created the MSEA Scholarship. This year, our scholarship winner is Sarah Welsh. Congratulations, Sarah. In the fall, Sarah will be attending Sterling College in Sterling, Kansas. She plans to major in mathematics with a secondary teaching endorsement, and she will also be playing on the volleyball team. Congratulations, Sarah. We know you're going to make an amazing teacher. You are kind, compassionate, and you know your math well. Good luck to you. Welcome to the teaching family.
Thank you, Ms. Kerrigan, and congratulations, Sarah. Next up is Ms. Stoneback presenting our honorary Mustang.
The purpose of the Honorary Mustang Award is to show our appreciation to a community member who has demonstrated commitment and kindness to our school. This year's recipient is an alumni, parent, spouse of an employee, and a member of MSFD who consistently dedicates his time and energy to our school. Whether it's dropping off extra water at field day, helping with medical support, responding to fire drills, or providing a fire watch for laser shows, he demonstrates kindness and professionalism with each interaction. This year's honorary Mustang is Randy Perkins. Thank you so much for all you do, and congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Stoneback. Next up, we have the Spirit of the Mustang Award presented by Mr. MC.
Hi again, everybody. I'm back this time to recognize the Spirit of the Mustang Award winners. As you know, every year Manitou Springs High School recognizes someone that truly embodies the spirit of the Mustang. As you know, this year's been a little different, and so I would like to award the Spirit of the Mustang Award to the entire faculty and staff of Manitou Springs High School. Every single individual at Manitou Springs High School, whether you're a faculty member, student, staff member, or somebody from the community who works with us regularly, truly knows the amount of effort that our faculty and staff have put in this year to provide the best opportunities for our students during the school year and even during remote learning. So again, I want to recognize the Spirit of the Mustang Award going to the entire faculty and staff of Manitou Springs High School. Students, when you have a moment, please share your thanks and your gratitude to a truly exceptional and amazing staff.
Good morning, everybody. I'm here in Miss Stoneback's room where student council meets for all of their student council meetings, and I'm here to recognize Melissa McDonald for winning the Gazette's Best and Brightest of 2020. This is an award that the Colorado Springs Gazette uses every year to recognize top students in the Pikes Peak region. Melissa, on behalf of all of Manitou Springs High School, we are proud of all of your accomplishments, your student leadership, and your service leadership in student council and school-wide over the last 4 years. Congratulations, Melissa.
Thank you, Mr. MC. Next up is the salutatorian and valedictorian, also presented by Mr. MC.
Hello, Mustangs. I'm back to recognize the valedictorian and salutatorian for the class of 2020. First off, our salutatorian is truly an impressive young woman. Whether it's in the journalism class or across any of her other academic coursework, this student is highly involved, hardworking, dedicated, and passionate. Our salutatorian for the class of 2020 is McKenna Yount. Congratulations. Our valedictorian is a young man who's worked hard both on the athletic field and in the classroom. Our valedictorian for the class of 2020 is Seamus Lowe. Congratulations, McKenna, and congratulations, Seamus. You've truly represented the class of 2020 to the best of your abilities, and we're proud to have your names as valedictorian and salutatorian etched in the history of Manitou Springs High School. Congratulations.
Thanks, Mr. MC. Next up, we have the Virtual Talent Showcase presented by our fellow students.
When some loud bragger tries to put me down and say his school is great, I tell him right away, now what's the matter, buddy? Ain't you heard my school? It's #1 in the state. So be true to your school now, just like you would to your girl or guy. Be true to your school now, let your colors fly. Be true to your school. Got a Letterman's jacket with the letter in front. Got it for football and track. I'm proud to wear it. Rackers around the other parts in town. I got decal and back. So be true to your school now, just like you would to your girl or guy. Be true to your school now, let your colors fly. Be true to your school. I'm ready, we'll be jacked up on the football game, and I'll be ready to fight. We're gonna smash them now, my girl will be working on her pom-poms now, and she'll be yelling tonight. So be true to your school now, just like you would to your girl or guy. Be true to your school now, let your colors fly. Be true to your school. True to your school now, just like you would to your girl or guy. Be true to your school now, let your colors fly. Be true to your school.
To finish off today, we have 4 K&A awards presented by student council members.
What day is it? Last day of K&A awards. Welcome everyone to day 4 of K&A awards. So first up we have most likely to be a contestant on The Bachelor or Bachelorette. Drum roll please. The winner is Maddie Kelly. Next we have most likely to have pulled off the biggest senior prank. Drum roll please. The winner is Grayson Bodor. Next we have most likely to come back and teach at Manitou. Drum roll, please. The winner is Gideon Eichner. Yeah, Gideon. And our last K&A award is most likely to create their own parking spot. Drum roll, please. The winner is Samari Bowen. Congrats to all our K&A award winners. We hope you enjoyed watching.
Hello again, Mustangs. This marks the end of our Green and Gold Assembly. Thanks to everyone who came out and everyone who performed. You guys were great, and congratulations to those people who won awards. Your hard work will not be forgotten. Congrats to those people. Thank you for coming to the showcase. Have a great day. Great job, Mustangs.